Jordan, what about the horsey? Do you see the horsey? See there? Yeah, that's Jordan's sign for horsey. And you see the cow too. Yeah, that's his sign for cow. Moo. What else do you see? Doggy. Yeah, that's the sign for doggy. Strawberry. Yummy. You don't know the sign for strawberry yet. Oh, but you love the look of them. That's the sign for cheese. Those are balls. Yeah, you bounce the ball. That's right. What about the sign for birdie? Do you know how to sign bird? Yeah, good boy. Good boy. What about froggy? Jordan, see there's a picture of the froggy. Oh, yeah, it's the froggy sign. An apple? Yeah, well, that's a lemon, but right there's an apple. Oh, those are grapes. Grapes, yeah. That means I'm full. Oh, my cheeks are full of food. Cheese. Cheese. What about bear? There's a bear over there.